One of the most important things you can do for your listing on Amazon is to optimize the title. This is one of the most important things you can optimize on your listing when you're trying to get yourself more relevant in the eyes of Amazon, when you're trying to, well, even be more clear about what your product is. Let's say, for example, you entered into the listing through the backend, through your Seller Central account. It won't show this the same way. This is when you come through the search results. Okay, so the other way you can do this, I'm on a Mac, you can go to on the PC, I believe it's page details. You're going to right click and get to that. And then you're going to do a Control F or Command F in my case. And you're going to search here for canonical. See, before I even finished it, there it is. I've dropped these into Magnet already, separated by comma. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Helium 10, in your tools here, you can go to Keyword Research, go to Magnet, and drop in your keywords here.